Alright, let's talk about something every young adult should know but nobody really teaches you. Budgeting. Yeah, I know, it sounds boring, but mastering your money early is honestly the best life hack you'll ever learn. So, here's how to get started. First, track your spending for a month. Don't change your habits, just see where your money's really going. Apps make this easy, or you can use a simple spreadsheet. Warning: you might be shocked at how much those little purchases add up, like that daily coffee run or late-night food delivery. Next, build your budget. The classic method is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your take-home pay goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or paying off debt. If your numbers are way off, don't panic, just adjust. Maybe you need to cut back on takeout, or swap some subscriptions for cheaper alternatives. Remember, a budget isn't about restriction, it's about giving your money a job so you can actually afford the things you care about. Set a savings goal, even if it starts small. Build an emergency fund, aim for a few $100 at first, and grow from there. Trust me, that safety net feels amazing. Finally, review and tweak your budget every month. Life changes, and so do your expenses. Be flexible and keep at it. So start now. Mastering your budget is the first step toward financial freedom, and your future self will thank you. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more tips on leveling up your money game.